Now we are going to determine the deflection at midspan by using Rayleigh-Ringe method and compare with the exact solution for a beam subjected to concentrated load W at the center and the uniformly distributed load enter E. So I have already done a video on only uniformly distributed load, and also I have it done individually per point load. Here they are asking us both the loads is applied on particular beam element. Okay, what is the deflection equation? What is the deflection equation? Deflection and load equation for this simply supported beam by using Rayleigh-Ringe method. He is asking us. Okay, what is the deflection at midspan by using the Rayleigh-Ringe method? He is asking us. Okay, this type of problems we derive in our mechanics of solids. Okay, that is here by using this Rayleigh-Ringe method. Here also we have derived some Ymax and Ymax equation. Here we also derive Ymax, that is deflection equation. This equation is asking us compare with the exact solution. Exact solution is there in our MOS. We got exact solution. Ymax is equal to WEI by 48 into EI something. Okay, so compare with that solution. Here he is asking us. In this, by using this Rayleigh-Ringe method, we get some relation. This relation, please compare with the exact solution. He is asking us. Okay. Now we are going to derive Ymax, that is deflection equation here, and then after getting this equation, we will compare with the exact solution. Okay. Now we are already have already done videos on this individual uniformly distributed load I have derived, and point load also I have derived deflection equation. Here combination load. Okay, so that is I am utilizing some information regarding that video. That is I have already derived, so that's why I am utilizing direct equation here. Okay, so we know that Fourier equation for we know that Fourier equation, Fourier series, that is Ymax. So y is equal to sigma I is equal to n is equal to 1 comma 3 up to infinity sine of n pi x by L. Okay. So now there are two nodes here, one and A and B, two nodes. So because of this reason, we will get A y is equal to A1 and A1 sine 1 pi x by L plus A2 into 3 pi x by L, because n is 1 and 2 and summation of this, that here is 1 is there and 3 is there. And then 3, and if it is has 2 3 nodes, the coming term is plus A3 5 x by L. Okay, but there is no nodes there, so that's why I am writing only 2 terms over here. Okay, this is the equation A. Okay, here A1 and A2 are rich parameters. Okay. Now we know that potential, minimum potential energy equation. Okay. What is that equation? Phi is equal to strain energy E, that is U, plus work done, that is H. Okay, that is we know that strain energy is equal. First individually I will take this one first term and then this term is second term. Okay, first term. Strain energy is equal to strain energy, it is equal to, that is U is equal to, we know that EI by 2 integral of 0 to L dou square y by dou x square whole square into dx. That is, this is the strain energy equation for a beam element. Okay, we know that y value here is there, that is y value is here. So differentiate twice and substitute here, then we will get strain energy. Already I have derived, so that's why I am substituting here. Previous video I have derived. Okay, that's why I am substituting here. We know that after, that is dou square y by dou x square value substitution, we will get u is equal to, we will get, already I have derived in previous video. Please visit our channel, our video is there, that is uniformly distributed load D video. W is equal to, u is equal to ei pi power 4, u is equal to ei pi power 4 by 4L cube into A1 plus 81 A2. Okay, this is the, and that means differentiate twice this equation and substitute here, then we will get this equation. Okay, next work done, second term work done, this is equation number B. Now work done, this is equation number B, this is equation number, this is equation number 8. See, you know that work done is equal to, here there are two loads applied. One is uniformly distributed load W per unit length. So W and small w and capital W. A capital W, this one is capital W. Okay. Work done is equal to integral of 0 to L W into y into dx plus capital W into y minus. So already in previous video, previously I have derived this and this also. So that's why I am substituting here directly. So this value is 2WL by 2WL by pi. This value is 2WL by pi into A1 plus, so A1 plus A2 by 3 plus this is W, capital W into A1 minus A2. So already there are previously I have derived two individually. One is uniformly distributed and point load. Please visit that two videos, then we will get this derivation simply. Okay, I have already derived in previous videos. Please visit. Okay, I will take 1 minute. Okay, so substitute this H value and U value. This is equation number D. Okay, substitute these two, this D and C in equation number B. So here we know that, so B equation is, so we know that, so pi is equal to, strain energy pi is equal to strain energy, that is EI 5 power 4 by 4L cube into a1 square plus 81 a2 square, okay, minus, sorry, this is minus value. Okay, this term is UDL load, this is point load. Okay, next, so minus into 2WL by pi into A1 plus A2 by 3 into, sorry, plus capital W into A1 minus. So this is the I value, I. Okay. Now multiply with minus, we will get entire equation easily. So EI pi power 4 by 4L cube into A1 square plus 81 A2 square minus 2WL by pi into A1 plus A2 by 3 minus capital W into A1 minus A2. Okay, A1 minus A2. Okay, differentiate this entire equation with respect to A1, we will get A1 value, and equating 0, and then we will get A1 value, and differentiate this entire equation with respect to A2 and equating 0, then we will get A2 value. Okay, so now we dou pi by dou A1 is equal to 0. This is boundary condition. Okay, dou pi into EI pi power 4 by 4L cube into A1 square plus 81 A2 square minus 2WL by pi into A1 plus A2 by 3 minus W capital W. Okay, this is capital W into A1 minus A2. Okay, so now differentiate, it is equal to 0. Okay, now after differentiation with respect to A1, this and it will become 2A1. Okay, this term is 0, this one is 1, this one is also 1, then we will get finally we got EI pi power 4 by 4L cube into 2A1 minus 2WL by pi, here is 1, minus W into 1 is equal to 0. Now they take these two terms into other side, that is EI, yes, I will write it. EI pi power 4 divided by 4L cube into 2A1, it is equal to 2WL by pi, this is capital W. Okay, yes, capital W, and then we want only A1 here, so that's why I am sending, so total into that side, so then we get W4 2 times here 2L cube divided by EI pi power 4 into 2WL by pi 2WL by pi plus capital W. This is rich polynomial function. Sorry, rich parameters. So finally we got only a1 value here. a1 is 2L cube by EI pi by 4 into 2WL by pi plus W. So this is the equation we got after differentiation entire potential energy equation with respect to A1. We will get A1 is equal to we got A1 value here. A1 is equal to 2L cube by EI pi power 4 into 2WL by L by pi plus W. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to A2. Now differentiate again this entire equation with respect to A2, that is rho pi by rho A2 rho pi by rho A2 is equal to rho pi by rho A2 is equal to 0 rho pi by rho A2 is equal to 0, that is rho A2 into here EI pi power 4 divided by 4L cube into A1 square plus 81 A2 square minus A2 square minus 2WL divided by pi into A1 plus A2 by 3 into minus W. So A1 minus A2. So this is you got. So have you? Okay. Now differentiate. It is equal to 0. So differentiate with respect to A2. Here A2 is there, here also there, and here also there. So then they will differentiate. So EI by 4L cube into after differentiation A2 square differentiation is 2A2. That's why we will write here 2 into 81 A2. So directly I will write here 162 A2, okay, minus 2WL divided by pi into here is 1 by 3. Okay, next here minus W into minus 1. It is equal to 0. Okay, now so minus into minus plus, so E is EI by 4L cube into 162 A2 minus 2WL by 3 pi plus W is equal to 0. Then take this term into out another side, that is we will get EI by 4L cube into 162 A2, it is equal to 2WL. Here W is capital W. Okay, here W is capital W. Here also. By 3 pi minus small w, sorry, capital W. Okay. Now we want only A2 value. Okay, A2 is equal to 4L cube. So here 2 times, here 81 times. So then equation will become 2L cube by 81 EI into 2W small w L by 3 pi minus capital W. So this is finally we got this value. Okay, here minus. So substitute these two values in equation y max, then we will get final solution. Okay, so we know that y max maximum deflection occurs, y max is equal to A1 minus A2. Okay, now that is the UDL. Here applying UDL and point load, both the loads is applied at midpoints. That's why maximum deflection is occurs y max A1 minus A2 here. Okay, now substitute A1 value and A2 value here. Y max is equal to 2L cube divided by EI pi power 4 into 2W L by pi plus capital W minus 2L cube by 81 EI into 2WL by 3 pi minus capital W. Okay, here 2WL cube is there, and there also 2L cube EI power 4, and here also 2L cube EI pi power 4 only. So wait. So wait one second. Wait 1 minute. Here we have forgotten pi power 4 value. Okay. That's why here EI into pi power 81 EI into okay 81 EI into pi power 4. 81 EI into okay. Now take common elements outside. Okay, 2L cube by EI pi power 4. Here common element. And remaining is here 2WL by pi, and here only capital W plus capital W, only plus capital W. Here minus 2L cube by EI L cube by L cube is common, only 1 by 18 is there. In this equation only 1 by 18, dou WL by 81 into 3 into pi minus 1 by 81 into capital W. Okay, 81 3 times, that is 81, 162, 81, 3, 4, 243. This will become 243. So simplify this. 2L cube by EI 5 power 4 into 2WL by 5 plus capital W minus 2WL by 243 pi minus 1 by 81 capital W. Finally, we got these values. Okay. 2WL by pi, 2WL by pi. Here also the 2WL by pi. Here also 2WL by pi. This 2 is common, and this is. So finally we got. So I will write here. Y max is equal to. Y max is equal to. I will show you there. Okay. 2W 2L cube by EI 5 over 4 into here these two terms. I am taking these two terms only. 2WL common, 2WL common. 3 pi is also common. Pi also common. So remaining is 1 minus 1 by 243. Okay. Next, here I am taking W in outside, capital W in outside. 1 minus 1 by 81. So finally, we got Y max. It is equal to first 4L power 4 divided by EI 5 power 5 into 3 point is something. Sorry, 0.998 something. Okay, let's W into capital 0.9999 something. Okay. Plus 1 minute. Minus into minus here plus the. That is 2 point. Sorry, something. No, not 2. 1.08. 1.08. Here 2L2 by EI 5 power 4 into W into 1.02. Okay. Finally we got 3.98 L power 4 divided by EI 5 power 4 plus 2.02 L cube by EI 5 power 4. So this is finally we got. Okay, after pi value, after substituting pi value, we got 0.0130 L power 4 divided by EI divided by 0.0130 0.130 L power 4 by EI plus 0.0207 L cube divided by 5 EI. Okay, this is similar to, so we know that 5 by 38 W L power 4. Here we forget W. Okay, here we forget W. Okay, five by 38 W L power 4. So Y max exact solution for Y max for this element 5 by 384 W L power 4 by EI plus 1 by 48 L cube by 48 EI. So this is exact solution for a Y max when two loads applied, uniformly distributed load as well as point load. This is equation. This equation is through Rayleigh-Ritz method we got this relation. This is exact solution. Okay, so both are same. 5 by 384 is exactly 0.130. Okay, so this is total deflection. Actually, this is total deflection. From equation 12, we know that exact solution and solution obtained by using Rayleigh-Ritz method are same. This is exact solution for MOS. In MOS, this is exact solution. Okay, so in this equation is through Rayleigh-Ritz method we got this equation. Okay, 4L cube, this equation. So similarly, both the relations are similar. So that's why by using Rayleigh-Ritz method we can solve this type of problems also. Okay, both are same. Okay, right here exact solution and solution obtained by using Rayleigh-Ritz method is exact solution right here. Is exact solution comma solution obtained through Rayleigh-Ritz method is same. Okay, so finally we are right here. So finally Y max is equal to 0.130 WL power 4 divided by EI plus 0.0207 L cube by EI. So both are same. Okay, exact solution obtained through mechanics of solid. Okay, this is exact solution through technical, this analytical. These two are same. Exact solution, that is exact solution comma solution obtained through Rayleigh-Ritz method is same. So mention that statement also. Bending moment also I will do that after arranging this deflection by max. Now we are going to calculate bending moment at mid span. Okay, this is also very important. So mention here, determine deflection, bending moment also mentioned here. Okay, you know that bending moment is equal to EI by EI into EI into rho square y by rho x square. Okay, so we know that rho square x by rho x square I have already derived, that is in first video I have derived rho square y by rho x square. So directly I substituted here, okay, because bending moment it is EI into rho square y by rho x square. Already I have derived, that's why I am substituting here. Okay, you know that already in our equation, in our video, we got in our derivation we got a1 value, a2 value. Substitute a1, a2 value and then find out mid-span bending moment. Okay, now substitute here in our equation, substitute a1 value and a2 value here. Okay, then rho square y by rho x square is equal to minus of a1 is 2L by En pi power 4 into 2WL by pi plus W into pi square by L square into sine of pi x by L. Okay, this completed. This one completed. Plus A2 means 2L cube by 81 EI pi power 4. Okay, pi power 4 into sine of 3. Sorry. Pi power 4 into 2 WL by 3 pi minus W. This is big W, capital W. Okay, this is also capital W. Okay, capital W, and remaining is 9 pi square by L, 9 pi square by L square into sine of 3 pi x by L. Finally, you are like this. Okay, now at mid span means, so x is equal to here, x is equal to L by 2. So bending moment x is equal to L. So substitute x in place of x, L by 2. So then we will get deflection and substitute there. Okay, substitute x value is L by 2, then we will get Banks bending moment. Okay, so that's why I am substituting here. Minus into 2L cube by EI into pi power 4 into 2WL by pi plus capital W into pi square by L square into sine of pi into x value is L by 2 whole by L plus 2L cube divided by 81 EI pi power 4 into 2WL by 3 pi minus capital W into 9 pi square by L square into sine of 3 pi into L by 2 whole by L. Okay. Now LL cancel here. Here also LL cancel. So remaining is sin pi by 2. Pi by 2 sin pi by 2 is value is 1. Here sin pi 3 pi by 2. Sin 3 pi by 2 value is minus 1. Substitute here. Then we will get minus 2L square L cube by EI into pi power 4 pi power 4 pi power 4 sorry here pi power 4 into 2WL by pi plus W. Okay, next here minus we got minus 1. Okay, here we will get minus 12 cube by 81 EI pi power 4 into remaining is 2WL by 3 pi minus capital W into 9 pi square by L square. That is this one minus 100 I have written there. So now split it, entire equation split it. So first split it, entire equation. Minus of 2 into 2 4 L into L cube L power 4 into W whole by EI pi into pi power 5. Okay, plus 2 L cube EI into pi power 4 here W capital W. Okay, minus 2L cube by 81 EI pi power 4 and here 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. L into L power 4 small w divided by 81 into 381 so 243 I think 243 that is 162 as 243 43 into E I pi into pi power 4 into pi that is pi power 5 minus into minus plus minus into minus plus 2W2 plus 2 L cube 2 into 9 that is 2 into 9 that is 18 L cube pi square is there. Here also pi square is there. Okay, we forget that. Here write it pi square by L square. Here also pi square by L square. Here also pi square by L square. Pi square by L square and 18 9 is also 9 to 4 9s are 32 here it will become 32. This is 32. Okay, now 2 into L cube pi square by divided by 81 EI into pi power 4 L square pi power 4 L square. So this is finally we got like this. here L square L 2 times cancelled and pi power 4 pi 3 times. So finally we got, so I will write here dou square y by dou x square is equal to dou square y by dou x square is equal to 4 minus of 4 here L square here W divided by EI okay 4W 4 L square W by EI pi cube only, okay, plus here pi 2 times cancel and L only once cancel, that is 2L here and capital W is also there divided by EI pi square next here minus 32 because 2 9s are right 32 L power 4 32 L power 4 here, that is L square L 2 times cancel, that is L remaining L square here. Next one pi 3 times cancel, W small w by divided by, I will show you, okay, 32 L square W by 243 EI pi cube, only pi cube, okay. Next here 18, so L square L cube once cancel, remaining is 18 pi square pi 2 times cancel and remaining is 18 L here some capital W is there, capital W by EI 81 EI into pi square, only pi square, okay. So finally got like this. Now simplify this equation, minus of 4L square W by EI pi cube and here 32 L square W 43 EI, okay. I am sending this minus to entire equation, then I will do that. Minus 4L square W EI pi cube, this one is minus 2L capital W by EI pi square, this one is plus, minus in the minus plus, 32 L square W by 243 EI pi cube and minus into plus minus 18 L capital W divided by 81 EI pi square. Okay. So now here 32 is there, here only 4. So remaining is term is no need to multiply this equation. Directly substitute. After substituting 4 by 5 cube and 32 by 243, we will get 3.8 WL square by EI pi cube and plus this will become 2.22 WL capital WL by EI pi square. So finally you are like this. Okay. After that is some simplification. That's it. Some simplification. That is we got 0.124, 0.225. 0.14 after pi cube 0.224 WL square by EI plus 0.225 225 capital W L by EI. Okay, you are like this. Substitute this dou square y by dou x square value in this equation, then we will get maximum. W max, bending moment max is equal to EI into minus of 0.124 WL square by EI plus 225 WL by EI. Okay, so minus substitute minus value. At center here EI cancel, so remaining is 0.124 WL square minus 224 after W into L. We got like this. Okay, this is the way of deriving this type of problems. Okay, 3.8518. Okay.